Well, when I see these 1970s Corvettes, it certainly brings back memories for me. Just touching that door handle is special, by the way. This is a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, believed to be just 15,000 miles. This is a nice car. Really, really looks great. Code correct medium red on the exterior, code correct black vinyl interior, and under the hood a numbers matching 195 horsepower, 350 cubic inch engine. Has automatic transmission as well. Now, features include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, tilt-n-tele, AM/FM stereo. It has an alarm, and we know it was originally assembled on February 28, 1974. It's always fun to know that information. It's in very good condition. The car's odometer currently reads 15,355 miles, which we believe to be original based on the overall presence and condition of this car's original parts, and a copy of the 2007 Kentucky title showing these original miles. However, the car's current title reads mileage exempt, and the car will be sold accordingly. This was a one-owner car through at least 2007, and according to the copy of the original bill of sale, an invoice, and 2007 title. The car's paint is in average condition. It does have a good shine. All exterior glass in this car shows a correct date code. Weather stripping is very good. Taillights and exterior door handles are average condition, and those rally wheels are in very good to excellent condition with average trim rings and center caps. The interior of this Corvette shows average to good seats, average door panels and rear storage bins, very good carpet, center console, steering wheel, and the GM seat belts. Has very good to excellent dash pad and gauges, and it has the correct appearing AM/FM radio. So give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Talk to one of our experienced sales representatives at 770-414-5552, and let's help you make this classic Corvette yours. We ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine, and we make buying online something you can do with ease, more importantly with confidence. So give us a call today. With this car, it will be included the copies of the original bill of sale, invoice, and as we said, that 2007 title showing actual miles, and of course you get the original owner's manual portfolio as well. So give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience.